Raipur Institute of Technology is a premium technical education institute of Central India. It was founded in the year 1995 with a resolve to provide increased opportunities in quality and contemporary technical education. Within a span of about 2 decades, the institute has evolved from a conventional engineering college to being Central India's most sought-after hub for professional education. It has grown from strength to strength, and today it is a frontrunner with multi-dimensional competencies in education, training, research and development, testing and consultancy. The institute has grown manifold and now stands tall as a flagship institute of formidable RIT group that occupies a prominent place on the educational map of Central India as a conglomerate of institute offering courses at undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral levels in engineering, business management, nursing and hotel management. The individual institutions have earned the reputation of being the best in their respective categories. RIT group of institute comprises Raipur Institute of Technology, RIT College of Nursing, RIT Business School, RIT College of Education, RIT College of Management and RIT College of Hotel Management. All these institutions have become well sought after destinations for quality education in India. Raipur Institute of Technology, the flagship institute of RIT Group, is approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University Bhilai. It offers BE degree courses in civil, mechanical, chemical, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, information technology and biotechnology. ME courses in environmental engineering, computer science, power electronics and thermal engineering, and doctoral programs in chemical engineering and biotechnology. The institute also offers MBA courses. It is the one and only institute in Chhattisgarh to offer courses in chemical and biotechnology engineering disciplines. The institute is a registered vocational training provider (VTP) under Chhattisgarh Skill Development Mission to impart vocational training to school pass-outs as well as dropouts for employment. RIT College of Nursing is an important constituent of RIT Group. It offers BSc Nursing, Post-Basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing courses recognized by Indian Nursing Council and affiliated to Ayush, the Health Science University of Chhattisgarh, Raipur. RIT Business School is an AICTE approved institution offering 2-year full-time autonomous postgraduate diploma in management PGDM program. RIT Business School has a perfectly designed curriculum to stimulate and enhance the intellectual capabilities of young minds. RIT College of Education provides much sought after B.Ed course, whereas RIT College of Management, BBA and BCom courses. The B.Ed, BBA and BCom courses are affiliated to Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur. RIT College of Hotel Management is the new member of the RIT Group. It offers courses designed as per the requirement of hotel industry. RIT campus is located in Naya Raipur, the new capital of Chhattisgarh, which has got the distinction of being one of the fastest growing capital cities in India. RIT campus is situated on National Highway number 6 near International Cricket Stadium at a distance of about 15 kilometers from Ghadi Chowk, the heart of Raipur city. The campus is easily accessible via road, rail and air routes. Public transport is easily available to and fro RIT campus. In addition, the institute operates its own fleet of buses to provide transport facility from Raipur, Durg Bhilai and Mahasamund. Spread over more than 20 acres of lush green land, RIT offers an environment that nurtures the mind and strengthens the soul. Green lawns flanked by tall trees nourish the mind and soothe the soul. RIT is a green campus as it runs on pollution-free solar energy. RIT has a committed team of experienced senior professors, technical and admin personnel. It uses state-of-the-art technology driven by eminent and seasoned academicians to impart the best of training and education in its category. The institution's library is stocked with thousands of books, research papers, periodicals, journals and magazines. The library also provides the facility of e-library. Facilities at RIT campus include Wi-Fi enabled 24/7 internet connectivity, well-ventilated acoustic classrooms and lecture halls equipped with ultra-modern teaching aids, multimedia tools, coupled with learning resources and sophisticated computer labs. The laboratories at RIT are designed to provide on-job industrial experience to its students. It provides high-tech computer laboratories with latest software to enable students work with the cutting-edge tool and technology. RIT has done pioneering research and development in biotechnology and chemical engineering and have university-approved research center in both these disciplines. RIT is also equipped with a biodiesel plant as well as a biodiesel testing unit. Sponsored by Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, stand testimony to this and make RIT stand out amongst the other institutes in the country. RIT provides well-maintained canteen, sports ground, an ATM, in-campus medical center and separate hostels for girls and boys to provide a homely environment to its students. The campus atmosphere at RIT is vibrant and purposeful. At RIT, new knowledge is blended with ancient wisdom. At RIT, healthy competition is encouraged and questioning is rewarded. At RIT, the very atmosphere is so inspiring that a walk through the corridor is greatly enlightening. RIT today has emerged as one of the most creditable and innovative institutions in Central India. The torchbearer at RIT believe in building generations and not just institutions. At RIT, students are trained to marvel in their chosen fields with their amazing talents. Students trained here are ambitious, unhesitating and enterprising. This is evident when the college alumni get together at college functions and share their experiences. Thanks to all these initiatives, RIT alumni continues to make their mark wherever they go. At RIT, education is not the only responsibility that is sincerely shouldered. Frequent training programs are held for students to give them insights into the challenges facing the industry today. Training and placements go hand in hand with its education to provide all possible opportunities to the growing talents. The Pride alumni of RIT are enjoying important leadership positions in premium companies like Sony, SR, Adani, L&T, Reliance, TCS, Infosys, Thomson Reuters, Ambuja Cement, to name a few. More importantly, RIT inspires its students to continue their training even after their courses are over, believing that learning is never-ending. At RIT, this untiring spirit of learning shows from the laboratory to the lawn, from canteen to the recreation clubs, and from college campus to industrial visits. With its rich heritage and state-of-the-art facilities, students at RIT can explore, experiment, express, share, discuss, debate, challenge, question, discover and evolve both as a person and a professional to lead the ever-dynamic business world of today. RIT, building generations, not just institutions.